Today on Ford on Forge, we begin tearing down the frame. All right. But got them done. Got them done. So they're not welded yet, but we will be welding these holes. Then they'll be going over there on that with the help of that bitch right there. Woo-woo. I got a pile of shirt, jacket, hot metal. But we'll be putting it together. With the box steel instead of the original ones you got to clamp on, because I think that's just much stronger. Much stronger. They're going right there. So I'll be cutting out over the bump stop. So I'll be cutting this seam right on here. Find out where the back end is, slice that. Over here, slice that. Find where the back end, slice this. And if those are too big, then I have to take this out. But I can still get my measurements from this beam. So, for the notch. So it comes, because this, and we can get this out of here. The rear end then. Let me see. Yeah, because the welds in this truck are so big. So I made a bigger notch. I'm about to do bigger tubs. Bigger tubs to get that to work. So it is what it is. So let me see if I can go, yeah, much bigger picture. So it is what it is. So that's coming next, framework. I'll get welding on these tomorrow, next week. Go for broke. Yep, serious sound, baby. Best in the land. All in our new shop, which we still ain't all finished moving in. But, you know, we're going to get it together. We'll finish it all up. And go from there. So, till tomorrow. See you then. Peace.